Hello and thanks for stopping by. If you're a new subscriber, karibu to my kitchen space. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we are going to be baking a cake and it's very moist and very delicious, very tasty, and I hope you'll enjoy. So without further ado, let's get right into the ingredients. So these are the ingredients for today's recipe, and I used the standard measuring cup. So I have half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of cooking oil, half a cup of milk. I have my vanilla. I have a tablespoon of butter, or you can also use margarine. I have 1 cup of self-raising flour, and I have 2 eggs. So I'll start by beating my eggs. And I'm going to beat them till they become somehow fluffy. So I've been beating them for about a minute, and as you can see, they are cloudy. So I'm going to add in my sugar. Then I'll beat it for another 30 seconds. Then at this point, I'm going to go in with my cooking oil. Remember, this is about quarter a cup of cooking oil. And then I'm going to mix it for about 10 to 15 seconds. So at this point, I'm going to go in with my flour, but in the meantime, remember, as you can see from the title, we are making a cake with hot milk. So I'm going to put this on the fire and I'm going to let it come to a boil as I mix in my flour. So I've added my hot milk right here, and I'm going to let the butter to melt as I continue mixing my flour. So I'll be mixing it by folding it in so that I do not remove the air that we've incorporated in the eggs. Gently. And also, you should also try not to overmix your flour, because we do not want to remove the air that we've incorporated. And as you can see, my butter has already melted. It's almost melting, all of it. So I'm going to add in my vanilla, about a tablespoon or 2, depending on how much you like it and how strong your vanilla is. And I'm going to mix this in here, and then I'm going to mix everything well.